Okay, so then let's start to sketch some faces. So we've figured out the a way for us to shape a head. Sorry about that. It's kind of a little too far off center. Okay, so these are our general head shapes. Now what we want to start to practice is we want to start to learn how to take these shapes, and we're only looking at these in two angles. And what we want to start to think about is how do we start to turn these faces into the wonderfully dimensional object that it actually is. So for instance, how do I take, like what I can do with a cube, how do I take this head shape and start to move it around? And the first way that we do that is we do that by giving it a center line. So we think of the face as having a line through the middle of it. Now I can take this shape, I can start like that, and I can put a little dot here, right at the top, but I can take this center line and move it to here. Okay, so you see I've got from here to there, but I've taken this theoretical center line and I've moved it to here. And that creates for me a sense that this shape has turned. And now what I need to do is I need a shape that sort of blends those two shapes, still staying in proportion. Okay, so I've taken this shape and I've turned it into a 3/4 view. Now, can I take it and turn it this way? So you could take and that's always a fun expression right there. Notice how everything changes as I turn the head in that direction. And then the last challenge would be to take the head that we have here, and turn it in both directions. So if I took a circle and I took the center and I moved it off center, as well as turning the head downward, so as well as tilting it. Okay, so that takes the head and turns it, twists it, turns it, tilts it. And this is the first thing that we want to start to practice with the head in terms of giving it expression, giving it believability.